Hi, this is Shawn Johnson, certified health coach and hair loss practitioner. And today I want to talk to you about our 21-day New Start program. This program is designed to help you make sustainable changes in your lifestyle. You will learn how to make small changes to create big results. Check out our testimonials from the group, the Wellness Divas, that did our 21-day New Start program. And if you'd like more information, just subscribe at the bottom. Go to our website at npwellnessgroup.com.
Hi, my name is Sandra Martin, and I'm here to talk about the New Path Wellness Group. And the group that I was involved in was known as the Wellness Divas. As I began this journey, I thought about another diet. It'll work for a while, then I would mess up, it would fail as usual. But it wasn't introduced as a diet, just a healthier way of eating to improve my life by substituting items I never thought about, and how it has worked in my life. So after a year of finally pulling out my Nutri-Ninja blender that was in a corner, I dusted it off, and then I started this adventure. I began trying green detox juices, smoothies, replacing sweeteners with raw honey, no salt, no cooking oils, just my best friends, Mrs. Dash, and low sodium chicken broth. After 8 days, I had lost 3 pounds. I drank so much water, the bathroom became so important and needed to be close by at all times. I enjoyed certain recipes. I really liked using the fresh ginger. And once I reached my 21st day, I had lost a total of 8 pounds. On the 4th day of February, I had to go get my levels checked by my doctor because they were very high. And then my doctor said I was borderline diabetic. So I returned to the doctor back on the 11th of February for my results, waiting to be scolded. And as usual, my doctor asked if I had been taking my medication. And what am I doing, because my cholesterol was 297 and now it's dropped to 141. And all my other levels were great, and to keep doing what I was doing. So all I can say is thank you, Father, for giving me the strength to care about myself and to realize I am important. Thank you, Shawn, for steering me in the right direction and for not feeling offended because you were not part of our Wellness Divas. It was just a way for us to stay connected. And I must say, we are all from different age groups, but we had fun, at least I did. And I wish everyone a wellness life.
Hi, my name's Alicia, and I was part of the detox group with Shawn. We went by the Wellness Divas, as you already heard. My experience, I'm no stranger to detoxes, nor am I a stranger to diets. But this time around, I felt that I was a little bit more committed than before. I really enjoyed the grocery store tour. And you think, oh, a grocery store tour, like I've been there 1,000 times. But you really do learn a lot. The organic vegetables, organic fruit looks so much different than what you find in the regular produce sections of other stores. I've also enjoyed the different recipes, vegetables. I've only had a handful of vegetable recipes and they were the same things. I enjoyed trying new vegetables. I enjoyed trying new ways to cook them. And I actually didn't miss meat on the detox, which is surprising because I'm a big meat eater. Pork, steak, chicken, fish, you name it. But I did find the vegetables to be satisfying. And also the shakes. The shakes were more my thing because I'm a big soda drinker, or at least I was. And the shakes definitely gave me something more to look forward to. And they were filling, very filling. So I look forward to doing it again and carrying this healthy way of living with me throughout my life, because it really is about a lifestyle change. It's not a diet. Before, when I've done diets, I've gained weight. That grapefruit diet, slim fast, you name it, I probably tried it once before. So I'm really looking forward to not depriving myself of what I want, but having it responsibly.
Hi, my name is Janice. I am one of the clients at the New Path Wellness Group. I've been working with Sean for quite a few months now, and I've really enjoyed myself. She's helped me to kind of focus on the things that I need to focus on, adjust my diet, to help me just clean out the gunk in my system, to help my body and soul just get on the right path, and help me to achieve the goals that I had set forth. I think that every session that I've had with Sean has been helped me get closer and closer to the ultimate breakthrough. She has been so supportive the entire time that I've worked with her, and I would definitely recommend each and every one of you guys setting up a session with her.